Hi there, this is Tony from the Croton Free Library, and I'm here to show you how to use your star wheel. So if you come to the library, you can pick this up. It is 2 pieces of cardstock, one wheel covered in stars, and one cut-out disc. You pop the disc in the back here, and you'll see that there are dates on the outside that align with times on the inside. So what you want to do is figure out what day it is. Today is December 1st, so right there. And you want to look at the time that you want to go out. That time is white for standard time, which right now is standard time, or yellow for daylight savings time during the summer. So if I want to look at about, let's say, 10 p.m., we're going to back it up so that my first of the month right there is on 10 p.m. Now we've got our star map for the night, but you don't just want to set it up and look like this, because that's not how this map works. This map is meant to be held up. So what you want to do is figure out your directions. If you know where the Hudson River is related to you, that is always going to be to your west. However, I like to look for the Big Dipper, which looks like this constellation right here. 7 stars in the shape of a spoon. It's called Ursa Major on your map. And if you find the Big Dipper in the sky and you use these 2 stars at the end of the spoon and draw a line through them, it brings you to this star, which is very helpfully the North Star. It's right due north, so it's right over where north is. So if you find the North Star, you know that's the north. So we'll say the North Star is right in front of me. What I want to do then is hold this up so that north is in front of me like this. And now this shows me where everything is going to be in the sky in relation. I hope that helps you with your stargazing. Definitely remember to bundle up because it's very cold, but the cold weather is better for seeing stars. If you're going out and you can get a red light, either downloading some kind of nighttime filter to your phone or putting red tape over a flashlight, that is better for your eyes so you can see more. But even without all of that, this will help you find the brightest constellations in the sky, no matter where you are. Some of these would even be visible down in New York City. Well, happy stargazing.